Welcome to BodyMaitre Podcast. I'm your host, Darreck. In this podcast, we explore how the four bodies, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, interact and shape our inner and outer realities. Today, let's talk about something that many of us once felt naturally but may have lost along the way: eagerness and enthusiasm frequencies. You might remember those times when you woke up excited about life, curious about what the day would bring, filled with inspiration and anticipation. But somewhere along the path, that spark faded. Let's explore why and how we can reignite it. What is eagerness and enthusiasm? Eagerness and enthusiasm are high vibrational emotional frequencies. They are feelings of forward-moving joy, a sense of expansion, curiosity, and positive expectation toward life. Spiritually, they align closely with the vibration of creation and source energy. When you feel eager and enthusiastic, you're literally resonating with your higher self's natural frequency, one of joyful becoming. From a law of attraction perspective, these frequencies are magnets for new opportunities. They open your energy field, allowing synchronicities, inspiration, and creative flow to enter your life effortlessly. Why developing these frequencies is important. Eagerness and enthusiasm are not just positive emotions. They are indicators of energetic alignment. When you feel enthusiastic, it means your thoughts, emotions, and actions are synchronized with your soul's truth. Life feels meaningful, opportunities unfold naturally, and you operate from inspiration rather than obligation. But when these feelings fade, you might start to feel empty, tired, or disconnected. That's often a sign that something in your four bodies has gone out of balance. Recently, one of our YouTube subscribers wrote in and said, "Darreck, I feel lost. I don't feel excited about life anymore. I used to be eager, passionate, and full of dreams, but now everything feels meaningless. What causes it?" This is such a powerful and honest question, and one that so many of us can relate to. So in response, I did an intuitive BodyMaitre Four Bodies scan to explore what energetic patterns might be behind this experience. Here's what came through. Physical body, discouragement and overburden. Spiritual body, psychic hooks to collective consciousness. Emotional body, feeling limited. Mental body, lost your authenticity. Let's explore what these frequencies mean and how they create that sense of loss and emptiness. Spiritual body, psychic hooks to collective consciousness. At the soul level, there were psychic hooks connected to the collective consciousness matrix, the energetic web of fear, competition, and survival thinking that many people unconsciously tap into. When you're hooked into this matrix, your soul's natural light becomes dimmed. You start living from collective pressure rather than personal inspiration. This disconnects you from your true spiritual enthusiasm, your soul's reason for being here. Mental body, lost your authenticity. In the mental body, the pattern "lost your authenticity" appeared. This means that over time, the person began living by external expectations, what others believe success or happiness should look like, instead of what truly feels aligned for them. When you lose touch with your authentic thoughts and values, your enthusiasm naturally disappears. Because real enthusiasm only exists when your actions express your authentic self. Emotional body, feeling limited, the emotional frequency. Feeling limited showed that the person's emotional energy had become contracted. When you feel limited, you can't sense potential, possibility, or freedom. You only see restrictions. That emotional constriction blocks the natural upward movement of energy, the same movement that expresses as excitement and passion. Physical body, discouragement and overburden. Finally, on the physical and etheric level, the frequencies of discouragement and overburden were found. This often manifests as fatigue, lack of motivation, or even physical heaviness. When the physical body feels overworked or unsupported, it becomes difficult to access higher emotional frequencies like enthusiasm. How these patterns together create meaninglessness. When we view all 4 levels together, the pattern becomes clear. The spiritual body was disconnected from divine inspiration. The mental body was caught in inauthentic thinking. The emotional body was trapped in limitation. The physical body was weighed down by exhaustion and discouragement. These combined create a vibration of stagnation, where life loses its spark and the person no longer feels that forward movement of joy. It's not that life is meaningless, it's that the inner frequency has been dampened. Through a BodyMaitre clearing process, these 4 bodies were realigned to their higher vibrations. Spiritual body removed psychic hooks to collective consciousness. Mental body reclaimed your own authenticity. Emotional body activated feeling, potentials, and freedom. Physical body anchored courage and ease. When these new frequencies were integrated, you may begin to feel a subtle but powerful change, a sense of lightness and curiosity returning. Not because external life changed overnight, but because the inner vibration shifted back into resonance with the soul. From there, inspiration, synchronicities, and enthusiasm naturally returned. How you can realign with eagerness and enthusiasm. Take a deep breath right now. Ask yourself, when was the last time I felt truly excited about life? What might be blocking me from feeling that again? Remember, eagerness is not something you can force. It's something that flows through you when your energy field is open and aligned. Here are some simple ways to start realigning today. 1. Spiritual body. Disconnect from collective fear and tune into your soul's unique frequency. 2. Mental body. Affirm your right to think and live authentically. 3. Emotional body. Invite feelings of expansion, curiosity, and potential. 4. Physical body. Move your body with joy, stretch, dance, walk to raise your energy. Even small acts of alignment can reignite your enthusiasm for life. Eagerness and enthusiasm are natural frequencies of your soul, signs that you are aligned, alive, and flowing with purpose. If you've been feeling disconnected or uninspired, remember, it's not that you've lost your purpose, it's that your energy simply needs recalibration. When your 4 bodies are in harmony, your natural joy will rise again. If you'd like to explore your own 4 bodies' energetic frequencies and see what's blocking your enthusiasm, visit BodyMaitre.com, where you can learn more about the BodyMaitre system and how to realign your consciousness. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of BodyMaitre Podcast. Stay radiant, stay authentic, and keep your vibration high.